Every day, everyone, colorful, sweet, and oh so yummy. Fruit is the best. It fills my tummy. Apple, red, green, or yellow. One of the best. Oh so mellow. Banana, long and yellow too. Perfect snack for me and you. Orange with its peel so thick. Inside juicy, give it a lick. Here so juicy, sweet and bright. Perfect snack, day or night. Strawberries, red, small and sweet. Always a big hit, can't be beat. Grapes so green or purple blue. Eat them quickly, they're for you. Kiwi brown with inside green. Best when ripe and fresh and key. Pineapple yellow, prickly too. Sweet and juicy, we love you. Raspberries red, so fine and neat. Blueberries too, they can't be beat. Mango, orange, juicy and smooth. Fruits are the best, they put us in the groove. Plum so purple, tasty to eat. Peach with fuzzy skin, such a treat. Melon green with red inside. Watermelon quenches thirst, we ride. Lemon yellow, so sour and bright. Lime green, a flavor delight. Pomegranate red with seeds so small. We